Hi, this is Oscar here. I'm going to talk today about the stringing format in Python. We have one module method that we can use it, they call it format, and we are able to format certain type of the string that we have it. Let me show you how does it work. Um, I have a variable, I call it price here, and I call it, $3. That's, I assume that Apple, we want to buy Apple on how much is per pound, and I just want to print out how much is per pound uh, on the string format. So I have one variable, I create one other variable they call output, that's the output of the thing, and I say string, and I say that the price actually price, then I say pound, that I know that should be different. The price of the apple is, and then what I use two curly bracket here, and this curly bracket is going to stand, is going to replace by actually I put here the dollar sign, so it's going to be this amount of dollar. So then I'm going to print out, let me show you a print have, and on the print I use this variable output, and then what I'm going to use it, I say format, and I use the value here, price per pound that I want to do it. Let's make sure that I have the output here and format the price. Now it's going to be thing right now. So what is replace the curly bracket that I have here is going to replace by a variable right here. Okay, let me show you the next one, that if I want to show it in 2-digit or 3-digit, what I can do it. The per pounds, for example, is $3.05 or 25 cents. How does it work? On this case, if I want to do it, I will put it, let me copy this one and paste it again, same price. And in this one, I put it as just different variable, and I have this one as different variable. But I want to show that here is 2 decimal point. Okay, so same thing, I'll run it, see what will happen. The next one is going to show me 2 decimal points. So if it's, I put, for example, here $3.05 or just 1 cent, show me. But if you want to show the decimal point, then if I want to have multiple, what I'm going to do that. For example, here I will say again, use the same thing, price per pound, but I want to say that I want and I want to say that how many pounds I need. We assume that I need 2 pounds, and then I want to know that the total price of that one, how it's going to be. I say total, actually I put total underscore p, and then I say, I can say price and then times pounds I have here. So, and then what I'm going to do it, the next one I have same thing, copy this one. I don't want to, my typing is not that good anyhow. So, and I add just only because the variable will be different. So what I can say, the price of the apple per pound is this, okay, per pound. I say, how much is it? Nothing here, there's going to be that. And then, and I say that there are, or, you can say there are this many pound, it's going to replace with the pounds or whatever that I put it. And they are pounds, so I put it this one, and total is and then I put the curve bracket here, and that's going to be, actually I have total price, so I put the value right here, dollar value here. So what I'm going to do here is going to be comma, and I bring this variable here, and then one more comma, I bring this variable here, total price. And let's see how does it run, this one. Let me see that I have to put here double is change the value, the output variable. So the price of the apple per pound is $3. There are 2 pounds and total is $6. So that is how we format the string in Python. So we use the curly bracket to have the variable here and the output of the string, and in output of string we put the curly bracket for the variable that we are going to put, and then we are going to print out the variable for string, and each one has the variable that we had on the previous string. Hopefully you get something out of that one. Enjoy, have a wonderful time.